Do you want to stop or hide new apps from automatically appearing on your home screen? In this video, I will show you how to turn off this setting to hide new apps from automatically appearing on your home screen. So let's get started. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down and tap on home and lock screen. After that, tap on home settings. Then tap on home screen style. After that, here you select app tray. After selecting, tap on settings icon next to the app tray option. Now turn off the add app icons to home screen option. And that's it. Now when you install a new app, its icon won't automatically appear on your home screen on Motorola. You can find the new app in your app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of the home screen. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.